Today, we are going to show you how easy it is to design your own hardcover photo book using our new online designer software. Visit our website at www.ormsprintroom.co.za. It is essential to firstly register an account before starting your project. Click on My Account. This will open the option to log in or register. Fill in your email address and a password in the Register section. Then click on Register. On the left, you will find your account options. This is where you will access your saved projects in future to edit them or reorder completed projects. Let's start creating our photo book. Click on our Photobooks tab and then select Hardcover Photo Books in the drop-down menu. You can click on the Online Designer in the top banner, or alternatively scroll down to see more of the product information and click on Create Now. You can create your own design by choosing the blank template, or alternatively, you can choose one of the ready-made layouts. Please note, the ready-made layouts are not locked and can be customized and edited to suit your needs. You can select a category on the left, or simply scroll through all the available templates. When you have made your choices, simply click on the theme you have chosen. You can browse a 2-page preview of what the layout looks like before proceeding. Please note that you can't change your theme once you have started designing your book. Today, we will be creating an A4 landscape personalized hardcover. This is by far our most popular option, and you would be familiar with it if you have made use of our free page promotions. Now you can choose a glossy or matte lamination for your cover. Choose the paper type you would like your pages to be printed on, and choose black or white end papers. Then click on Start Creating. Please ensure that you give your project a name. Click on the pen icon above your workspace to do so. Then click on Save. Now you can import the photos you would like to use in your photo book. Please note, if you are going to use the autofill option, it would be a good idea to number your images in the order you would like to use them. Click on Computer and locate the images you would like to use. We suggest storing them all in one folder. It will be easier to work from. Select the folder, then select all the images in the folder and click on Choose. Each book will open with a cover and 28 pages as a default. During our free page promotions, we automatically include the free pages as a default. You are able to delete these if you can't fill them all. To add additional pages at the end of your book, simply click on Add Blank Page. This will add 2 pages at a time. We will show you how to add the themed elements to these blank pages shortly. You could also alternatively click on a layout of your choice and just duplicate the pages to add additional pages. Pages can also be shuffled or removed in the thumbnail previews at the bottom. Now you can drag and drop your images into the picture boxes, or click on the autofill to add the images to the ready-made layout you have chosen. All the elements used to make up the ready-made layout can be found in the left toolbar. These can be used by simply dragging and dropping them. Backgrounds, layouts, clip arts, masks and frames. To edit the images in your layout, you will need to click on them and your editing options will pop up. Editing options include the ability to remove the photo from the design or swapping photos between picture boxes. To position your image in the picture box, click and hold on the grey circle in the middle. You can also zoom in and out of your image for a closer crop. Alternatively, you can make the picture box fit the format of your image so that it is full frame. There is an option to rotate or flip your image and to even change the opacity. When clicking on the mask and frame icon, you will be able to edit your frames and masks by either removing them or changing the thickness and the color of the frame. You can add a photo effect filter to your image or change it to sepia or black and white. For the design elements or picture boxes that overlap each other, you can use the Bring Forward and Send Backward option to layer your images in the order you would like. More editing options are available on the left and right of your design space. Here you can add a text box. You can choose your font, color, or alignment or size. You can now position your text in your layout. You can also add blank image boxes. Click on the image box to change the size or rotation. Shuffle through the different layouts to better suit your project needs. Add a rectangle or a circle to your project. Editing options are available when you click on it. To preview your project, you can click on the Preview button and use your keyboard's arrow keys to scroll through the pages. If you have used autofill, please check that no important parts of your images have been cut off and that you need to reposition them. To go back to editing mode, click on the Edit button. Under the More button, you will find a few helpful options. Show Bleeds allows you to see the areas that will be cut off on your pages, or wrap around your cover. Show Ruler allows you to drag out guidelines to use for alignment. Snapping allows you to easily align picture boxes or center them in your layout. And Check Project will highlight all the problem areas in your project that need attention. Click on Go To, and it will highlight the problem picture box or element for you. This example indicates that the photo is not optimal quality. When you have completed your project, follow these easy steps to place your order. Click on the blue Order button with the shopping cart icon, top right of your screen. If your project has any flaws, for example, an empty image box, you will be prompted that there are minor flaws. You can go in and fix these, or if you are happy to proceed, simply click on the I am sure everything is fine tick box. Then click Proceed anyway. Please wait while your shopping cart loads. Once you are in the shopping cart, you can order multiple copies of your photobook. If you have a voucher code, it can be applied now. If you would like us to ship your order to you, you can now calculate the shipping fee by adding your delivery address. Your courier fee will now be listed, or you will have the option to change it to a store collection. You can now proceed to the checkout. Please fill in your billing details, and it is important to list a cell phone number and address. These details will not need to be filled in again in future, but can be edited if they change. You have the option to ship to an alternative address. Unclick this if you do not require it. A summary of your order will appear at the bottom of the page. Review your details and click on Proceed. You will now make your payment. Choose to pay by card or secure instant EFT. After payment, you will get prompted that your order has been received with the details of your order and your order number. You will also receive an email with a summary of your order details. Now you can sit back, relax, and our team will do the rest. We will be in touch as soon as your order is ready for collection or delivery.